Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking for rings to help you in your active everyday lifestyle? Well, I am loving my ThunderFit silicone rings. I appreciate this eternity pattern underneath because it really lets the air circulate around your fingers. And I just love these colors. I got these in a size 6.5, 7 because I have fat knuckles and they fit great. I love the stretchiness because I mainly got them for when I'm working with construction. They're lightweight and they can tear away if I get caught on a tool or something. And I still have style, but also I'm safe while I'm working with tools. They're so comfy too. If you work out, you certainly don't need to take them off. They are really lightweight and they are so breathable. I've even forgotten to put on my silver jewelry because these are so fun and fashionable. So choose your favorite color of ThunderFit silicone rings. You will love them. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.